Hello YouTube, welcome to another one of my videos. I'm going to do a bike check. I'm here at the Mount Washington City Park. So, yeah, starting off with grips, I've got black ODIs and black Barons, long necks. They grip really well. I got Sabrosa bars, I don't know what kinds. Yeah. I got a Free Agent Maverick stem with a little stem plate that says the time is now ride. Really cool. And down to the frame, I have the Free Agent Maverick. It's a race bike, but still, it helps a lot. I got one piece cranks, as you can tell, the race bike. Got Free Agent tires. They're pretty good. Got a Free Agent like seat. Pretty big sprocket, but oh well. Race bike. And I'll probably be getting a new bike here at Christmas, so I'll do a bike check then. So bye.